This is just a quick video showing how to use the Group 3-4 Continuum Score app. So once you open the app, you will be greeted with this view, and there's an overview alongside some background into the Continuum Score and a video just showing you more information about the continuum. The next tab along is a tutorial, and this takes you from uploading the data all the way to exporting and resetting the app. So let's say, for example, I wanted to upload some expression data. I have some practice data ready to upload, and so now we can see that it's upload complete. So we then choose whether to scale our data to Williamson et al.'s dataset or your own uploaded data. We recommend using Williamson et al.'s if you have a low number of samples, especially because, say for example, if you uploaded two samples, you would end up with a result of 1 and 0, which isn't hugely useful. So now that I've uploaded and I've scaled, I just need to generate the scores. So here is our results table. So we can see my samples 1 to 10. Yours will be called something different. Whatever you've named your samples will appear here. And this is the raw Group 3-4 Continuum scores on the right. Below here we have our first plot, and this is the Continuum Score plot, and it shows you where your sample sits along the continuum. Next to this we have an information box just showing your selected sample, their risk percentile and their survival percentiles. This shows if you take into account age or if you don't. Underneath we have two survival plots. The first is not taking into account any risk factors, and you can see our sample here highlighted. The second considers age, so whether the patient is under 3 or over 3 years old. And here you can see the highlighted sample and the difference in survival. The numbers can be found above here. At the very bottom we've got a little summary explaining what this all means. And this is useful to read through once you have your results. So now that we've got our results, we may want to export them. So here we can download our results into either a CSV file or a PDF file, and you can call it whatever you want. So if we choose to go with a CSV file, this is useful for opening in Excel, and you will get this table. So very basic. Just this table of results, your sample and your number. If we choose for PDF, it's a little bit more in depth, and we get the table alongside these three plots. So it just depends what you want, really. So now that I've got all results and I've exported my data, I may want to upload some other samples. So to do that, I simply press the reset button and I go back to the home screen.